right, this is your air conditioning compressor, which is between the windshield and the front. It's underneath some components here, including the battery and the coolant reservoir and most all Teslas. You can hear that noise. My suspicion is it's the bearings in the compressor that are on the way out, and you don't want them to fail. Right now it's still, like this line right here is super cold. It's working, but you can hear the noise. That noise is not normal. It attracts a lot of attention. And this is on low right now. So this is probably going to need a new compressor. You can't rebuild it. You can't put new bearings in it. Hopefully it won't blow up and contaminate the system.